Welcome back to Top Mag 4. We're excited to have you here. Make sure you stick around until the end because you won't want to miss what's coming next. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Don't miss out. If you enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. There's a lot more exciting content coming your way and you won't want to miss it. Turn on notifications so you're the first to know when we drop something new.